Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Getting a new iPhone? You might want to check out these charging accessories by Anker. As you probably know, iPhones don't come with a wall charger anymore, just a USB-C to Lightning charging cable. Not surprisingly, Apple recommends their own 20-watt power adapter, but this Anker Nano Pro 20-watt wall charger is just as powerful, but around half the size, and it comes in fun colors. The other Anker accessory that you might want to consider for your new iPhone is their PowerCore Magnetic 5K power bank. This is kind of MagSafe because it attaches magnetically to your Series 12 or 13 iPhone or MagSafe case, but it doesn't actually charge at MagSafe 15-watt speeds. However, at 5,000 milliamp hours, it holds a significant amount of power, is super convenient to use, and comes in 5 lovely colors. Let's take a closer look. Looking first at the Anker Nano Pro 20-watt charger. Really nice little product here, great finish out, beautiful color. This blue color is one of 4 colors available in the Anker Nano Pro lineup. It looks really great with blue iPhones. For example, it looks wonderful with my Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro, and it's going to look even better, I think, with the new Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pros, although of course those won't be out for a little bit, so we'll have to wait, but I'm pretty sure that this lighter blue color on the Anker Nano Pro is going to be pretty much a perfect match with the Sierra Blue iPhone color. So the Nano Pro is truly tiny, just a little bit bigger than the old 5-watt charging block that Apple used to ship with all of its phones. It's going to charge your phone 3 times as fast, however. Also note that it takes a different type of charging cable. It takes a USB-C to Lightning as opposed to the old USB-A to Lightning that you used to use with the old 5-watt charging blocks. There is no charging cable shipped with the Nano Pro, so you have to either buy one or use the one that comes with your phone. Fortunately, the new iPhones ship with a USB-C to Lightning cable, and that's going to work great with this. Android phones typically ship with USB-C to USB-C cables, and that's going to work great with this as well. In fact, because this is a 20-watt charger, you're going to be able to use this for basically all of your devices other than larger laptops. So you'll be able to use this to charge your iPad, your iPhone, your AirPods Pro, basically everything. You can plug a MagSafe charger into this as well. This is an extremely versatile device. So comparing this with Apple's 20-watt charger, you can see that this is about half the size of Apple's 20-watt charger, with a much more attractive design, and it's going to charge your phone just as fast. These are both going to give you very fast charging. Charge an iPhone 12 in about an hour. The Anker Nano Pro also features something called Active Shield, which monitors temperature and output in order to protect your device while charging. And again, you've got 4 great colors to choose from. Lots to love here with the Anker Nano Pro. Moving on to the PowerCore Magnetic 5K. This is basically a MagSafe power bank, except for the fact that it doesn't charge at MagSafe speeds. So you can attach this onto a naked iPhone 12 series or iPhone 13 series phone, or one with a MagSafe compatible case, and it will charge at Qi wireless speeds of 5 watts, as opposed to the 15 watts that you would get with MagSafe charging speeds. So this is similar in operation to Apple's MagSafe power bank. It also attaches on magnetically, but even it doesn't charge at MagSafe charging speeds. So you really can't blame the Anker device for not charging at 15 watts if the Apple MagSafe power bank isn't. So this lovely purple color is one of 5 colors available for this power bank. The others are black, white, blue, and green. Really lovely product. We've got a soft rubberized finish on here. Everything seems really nicely made. This charges via USB-C. A USB-C to USB-C cable is included in here. There isn't any kind of wall charger that comes with it, but of course you can use one of these lovely Anker Nano Pro chargers in order to charge this up. You can even use a purple one to match the purple, although the shades of purple are a little bit different, but hey, they're still purple, still cute together. And if you have a device that does not use wireless charging, then you can use this USB-C as a USB-C out as well. And if you have the appropriate cable, you can plug that in there and charge that way. So overall, really quite a versatile device. And again, 5,000 milliamp hour capacity. So really pretty decent capacity with this. It's going to be able to charge an iPhone 12 Pro to basically 100%, something like 97%. It's going to have more than a full charge for an iPhone 12 mini, and it's going to have slightly less than a full charge for an iPhone 12 Pro Max, about 75%. Operation is really quite simple. You do have an on button you need to press, but basically just press that and then attach it onto the back of either a naked iPhone like this or something with a MagSafe case, and then you've got a really nice connection here. Very tight, not going anywhere, very comfortable in the hand, really not too big. It's going to fit on all three sizes, the iPhone 12 series phones. So you can use this with the Max, the Mini, or the regular 12. This, of course, has overcharge protection and temperature protection and foreign object detection and all the good stuff. It also supports pass-through charging, so you can be charging your power bank and then also charge your phone at the same time. So that's an extra awesome feature. And I really love the fact that it's such a convenient size. You don't have to mess with any cables to get a top up. It's really easy to slide into your pocket or put in your bag. Overall, I think this power bank is an absolutely outstanding MagSafe product from Anker. Again, we've been looking at the Anker Nano Pro 20-watt wall charger and PowerCore Magnetic 5K power bank. These products are both available directly from Anker as well as from Amazon, and they're priced at $19.99 for the Anker Nano Pro and $54.99 for the PowerCore Magnetic 5K. Both come in a variety of lovely colors. The Nano Pro comes in black, white, blue, and purple, and the PowerCore Magnetic 5K comes in black, white, blue, purple, and green, so you have quite a lot of overlap there if you're trying to be color coordinated. Many thanks to the kind folks at Anker for sending me out these samples to review. If you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments section below, and please hit that subscribe button because I have a lot of iPhone 13 accessory reviews and unboxings coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.